Hey everyone, today I have another unboxing video. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. It's a pretty awesome budget tablet. I've never used one before. I've actually never used any of Samsung's tablets, so this one should be pretty cool. It also comes with the S Pen, so let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. Alright, so here is the box. We're just going to go ahead and cut into here. There's a tab at the top and a tab at the bottom. So now, we can flip it back over, just open that up, and so here is the tablet itself. It actually feels pretty heavy, so I'm going to set this aside for now. See what else we get in here. Looks like we have the charge brick. I don't think this is a fast charger. It looks like just a regular charger. And then we have our USB-C charging cable. And then I think in here is just a manual. Oh, I opened that up on the wrong side, it ripped. But yeah, it looks like that's a quick start guide. So I won't be taking a look at that. But on the back of it, we do have a SIM ejection tool because it does have a micro SD card slot, so that's what this is over here for. And then here is the S Pen. So this has a flat side, so I believe it magnetically attaches to the tablet. But as you can see, if it focuses, it's not going to focus. But yeah, we have the S Pen included, so already pretty good value. I'll put the price up on screen as well as some of the specs. And I believe, yeah, that is all we get in the box. So let's take a look at the tablet now. Alright, so it looks like at the bottom we have our USB-C port as well as our speaker grill. And we have another speaker grill up top with a microphone and a headphone jack. And on the side we have our power, our volume switch, another microphone, and it's not focusing, but we do have our SD card slot there. So let's go ahead and power this thing up. Alright, so I am on the setup screen right now, and I'm going to get this all set up, but one thing that is pretty neat is this S Pen right here magnetically attaches to the back of the tablet. So you can store it there. It's pretty sturdy. It does move around a little bit, but like if we shake it, it's not going anywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy all set up, and I will be back. Alright, so everything is set up. We just have a few basic apps that come pre-installed, some Microsoft apps, Netflix, and looks like we don't have that much bloatware. This is the only screen. But yeah, I'm going to customize this and delete some apps, install some apps. And then here's the S Pen. It's actually pretty responsive. Oops. Open Netflix. Yeah. I'm going to... Whoops. I think I keep clicking on that. Yeah. So yeah, the S Pen is actually pretty responsive, and it feels really good in the hand. Let's see how the speakers sound. We're going to open up some YouTube. Alright, this is weird. Whenever I hit YouTube, just closes. See, I'm not touching it. I'll hit YouTube, and for some reason it just crashes. Not sure what's going on with that. I think it might be because it's doing some updates on apps. So once it's done doing that, I'm going to see if it launches. Alright, so yeah, it just needed to update. So let's click on a video. Alright, so we can full screen it, see how bright, or how loud we can get this. Oh, whoops, wrong button. I hit the power button and opened Bixby, so it's a good reminder for me to disable that. Let's turn this up. Alright, that's actually pretty loud. And honestly, the screen doesn't look bad either. But yeah, this is very loud. So I'm actually really happy with the speakers on that. So that's going to be great for watching movies and stuff. So I do want to test out the S Pen, so we're going to open up a drawing app real quick and get loaded in. Alright, so here's the S Pen, and we're just going to draw a little bit. Looks like it picks up pressure pretty well. So see if I'm pushing light and then I push a little harder on the screen. Yeah. This is actually really smooth to use. I like this. I'm not anywhere like close to being able to know how to draw, but I do like the S Pen, and there is a button on the side, and I think, yeah, so that just opens up a menu on here. But yeah, pretty awesome tablet, especially for the price. This is like 350 bucks about, and I'd say it's pretty solid. It's all metal and glass. I'm gonna go ahead and use this for a while, and I might make an update video depending if you guys want to see that. But yeah, all around a really awesome tablet. It's surprisingly snappy for only having 4 gigabytes of RAM, and yeah, I'd say this is a really good budget tablet if you want a tablet and don't want to empty your wallet on it. So if you guys enjoyed this short little review, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. And just a reminder, I'm still doing my $150 Bitcoin giveaway, and you can watch that video here. I will have it linked at the end of the video. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.